AI in content creation. Can AI replace human creativity? AI has revolutionized many industries, including content creation. AI is now a key tool for those seeking efficiency and innovation. It generates articles and designs visual content. AI's capabilities in content creation: text generation. Tools like GPT-4, Jasper, and Write can create blogs, product descriptions, and social media posts. These models are trained on vast datasets, enabling them to mimic human-like writing. Visual content. AI tools like DALL-E and Canva make graphics, infographics, and videos. They do this from simple user inputs. SEO optimization. AI is used to optimize content for search engines. It analyzes data, finds keywords, and suggests improvements to boost visibility. Creativity. A human-only trait? Creativity is often seen as a human quality. It is the ability to create original, emotional, and thought-provoking content. This contrasts with AI's method of using patterns and data to generate outputs. Human-AI collaboration in content creation. Instead of seeing AI and human creativity as rivals, view them as partners. AI can boost human creativity. It can handle boring, time-consuming tasks. This lets creators focus on more meaningful, innovative work. Limitations of AI in content creation. AI content lacks the emotional depth that humans provide. AI can mimic sentiment, but it doesn't feel emotions, so its outputs are less relatable and authentic. Limited originality. AI models rely on existing data to generate content. This often leads to recycled ideas and formats. It struggles with true innovation. It is bound by the patterns in its training data, so it can't think outside the box. The future of AI and human creativity in content creation. Increased integration. AI will likely become more embedded in content creation. Sophisticated tools will enable seamless collaboration between humans and machines. AI is a creative partner. AI tools could evolve to be creative partners. They would suggest ideas based on a creator's style and goals. The ideas would be relevant and personalized. Conclusion. In conclusion, AI has proven to be a valuable tool in content creation. It offers speed, efficiency, and data-driven insights. AI can replicate some tasks and generate basic content. But it can't replace human creativity. Humans' emotional depth, intuition, and creativity in content are irreplaceable. AI will likely enhance creativity, not replace humans. It can automate routine tasks and provide insights.